Toniebox's childlike exterior masks a smart design which puts kids in control of story time without the need for a complicated remote control or a voice assistant. And best of all, it's screen-free. The controls are soft touch, easy to learn. Tactile qualities make using it enjoyable. Place a character on the landing pad to start the story or songs. It magnetically attaches, helping guide your child.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Tap the sides to skip ahead chapters or songs. Squeeze an ear to raise or lower the volume. Placing a different Tony on the box will change the story to the one included on the next character.
It was a hot, muggy day in Venice.
It's actually pretty durable. It's soft, so when you step on it by mistake, your toes will thank you. It's tough enough to handle hands-on routine use by toddlers. And it comes in 6 colors. Battery life advertised at 7 hours. Actually, that is quite conservative based on actual usage. It's easy to charge, just land it on the base so the plug connects. It's a great on-the-go accessory for busy kids. The headphone jack allows for the listener to enjoy Toniebox without everybody else in the room, car, or plane having to enjoy it as well. Unfortunately, it is wired headphones only, no Bluetooth support yet. When the Toniebox finishes a story, it automatically turns off and goes to sleep. And because it has no screen, there's no pop-up windows and no ads. The My Tonies app allows parents to adjust the volume so that you can set a maximum volume on both the Toniebox and the headphones. You can also assign different behaviors for the tilt and tap depending if you're left or right hand dominant. The My Tonies app enables parents to record custom content. You can record your own Tonies. In fact, you can store up to 90 minutes per each creative Tony. Stories and songs come from all kinds of places, such as classic books, corporate content holders, educational entertainers. Even self-made YouTube sensations now have Tonies. Wonder what a put-to-the-test Tony would look like. If they made a Tonies out of this channel, I'd feel like I finally made it. Hear that, good people at Tonies? If you have a young or developmentally delayed learner, Tonies hits a real sweet spot by providing a way for independent content selection, reducing frustration, and building confidence while entertaining and educating. If you like this video, click the thumbs up or the bell to be notified when new videos come out.